Here we show you how to search the HRB National Drugs Library using our advanced search. To search our complete collection of publications, audio and visual resources, click the advanced search link on the blue banner. Before you start, it may be useful to consider your search in terms of one or more keywords. You don't need to include the words drugs or substance, as most of our collection relates to these. The advanced search gives you the option of using one or many search boxes. There is a help button indicated by a question mark beside each box, which gives advice on what to enter. You will probably only use a few of these options in the search, but you can mix and match depending on your needs. The title search box can be used to find a specific publication, or it can be used to find everything that we have that has your keywords in the title. Be aware that it will provide relevant results, but miss other publications related to your topic. This is why the subject search box is useful. When we add a new publication to our collection, we assign subjects or keywords to it. For more information, please see our video on library subjects. We suggest typing in perhaps one or two words in the box to see what we have. You can always refine your search and add extra words later. The All Fields box searches for your words anywhere in the database, including titles, abstracts, and subjects. We suggest you use this All Fields box primarily for rare or unusual keywords, or if you aren't getting results from using other search boxes. The author box can be used if you're looking for publications by a specific author. This could be an individual or an organization. The abstract box searches for your keywords in the abstract of publications, which can be used to broaden your search, but perhaps try other boxes first. Geographical area is used to limit your search to a country like Ireland or Portugal, an area like Scotland, or a county such as Dublin. You can also enter areas like Europe here. Publisher is useful if you are looking for publications by a specific organization. The year date range box enables you to limit your search to a specific year or time range. So, for example, you could limit your results to the last 5 years. For type of item, you can leave this blank if you want to search the whole database, or if you wish, you can tick all types. If you want to exclude news articles and parliament debates in your results, tick all, except news and debates. You can tick as many item types here as you wish. Filters place restrictions or limits on your search. For example, you can tick Irish related if you want only publications related to Ireland, or international if you only want publications that relate to other countries. Similarly, you could tick either peer-reviewed articles, reviews, or guidelines to limit your results to those types. The last box says retrieved records must fulfill all or any of these conditions. You can leave it at all of these, so it will give results that match all of your criteria. This is similar to the options all of or any of. All of means you want to find publications with all of the words you enter. Any of finds publications with any of the words you enter. For example, if you are interested in finding publications on heroin and methadone, if you left all of, it would only provide results where both were in the publication. By choosing any of, it picks up publications where even just one is included, so it widens your search. We have provided a second subject search box. So you can use any of in one and all of in the other if you wish. Again, if you added any of heroin and methadone in the first subject box and all of treatment outcome in the second, it would find any publications with either subject heroin or methadone and which also has the subject treatment outcome. For further information, see our Managing Your Advanced Search Results video.